guys, welcome to the second episode of Cooking with Magic. Today we're going to be making meatloaf. Not just any meatloaf, but meatloaf from 50's Primetime Cafe. Okay, Patches, you heard him down there?
Yes.
If you've never been to 50's Primetime Cafe, it's at Hollywood Studios. It's a really cool restaurant. Amanda, you remember going there?
Yes.
Did you like it? She didn't like it because she didn't like the waiters. They were giving her a hard time. That's a cool thing about it is like they'll tell you to get your elbows off the table or, you know, make you eat your green beans. And
if you want to make your kids mad, if they're making you mad on your vacation, take them there.
Yeah. But it's a cool place. Patches, get down. Get down, Patches. This is not for you. Come over here. I'll give you a doggy treat. Come over here. So, all right. Well, Patches got in the video. So, meatloaf is pretty easy to make. It's just a bunch of stuff thrown together and put in a mold and cook it in the oven. So let's run through the ingredients. We're gonna need a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground pork. Onions, bell peppers, red bell pepper. This is about half an onion and about half a bell pepper and about half of a red bell pepper as well. A cup of breadcrumbs, 3 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper. I'm probably gonna put some garlic in there too. The recipe didn't call for it, but I'm probably gonna put some in there. So that's all gonna go into the meatloaf. Then you're gonna put a glaze on it. For that you need about half a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of mustard, preferably like brown mustard or like Dijon, something like that. So let's do it. Just throw the meat into your bowl.
As aggressive as possible.
Mix it up, yeah. Be real aggressive with that. I'm gonna mix it up just a little initially.
That's fine.
Just a little bit, just to mix it up. Okay. And just throw it all in there. Mix it up. And the eggs. And Worcestershire sauce. A little salt. Pepper, and then time to get your hands dirty. And you don't want it to be like a mush because you want it to, mold well, but get it all mixed up and all incorporated in there. Yeah, look at the eggs. Blah. I think this is why Amanda doesn't like meatloaf. It's not the flavor. I mean, the flavor is good. It's just meat, But this is not Amanda's favorite meal, meatloaf.
I think it's just so boring and just tastes like meat and ketchup. It's just not enjoyable.
Well, maybe you like this one better. It's got bell peppers, it's got onions. We're going to make a glaze. I don't normally do a glaze on my meatloaf, so maybe you'll like that better. All right. We forgot the breadcrumbs, so let's let's do that again. And then we'll put it in the loaf pan. Okay, now for real this time, let's put it in the. And you can feel the difference that made with putting the.
It soaked up a lot of the moisture.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Now that doesn't have to be perfect because, like I said, it's about to go on top. Alright, so you should have preheated your oven to 350. And it's going to throw it in there just like that.
All nice and hot.
Mm-hmm. You're going to cook it like that for 50 minutes, 50. Then once we're done cooking that, we'll have the glaze already made. We'll put the glaze on there and we'll do it for about 10 more minutes. And then that's about it. So we got about an hour to kill. I'm going to make some... So we got about an hour to kill. I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes, maybe some macaroni and cheese, salads, etc., while we're waiting for this to finish. So be back in an hour.
Until you up to stop.
Ooh,
Where's that?
look at that. That actually
Made
looks really
salad
good.
chicken nugget.
No, it's not chicken nuggets.
What's that?
Meatloaf.
Oh, meal. I know meal.
All right, so we got our glaze already made over here, which is again just ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, and something else. What was it else? Mustard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard. Whoa, it's spicy. I put a little sriracha in there as well, just for fun. So we're gonna baste this bad boy with all that.
Mama, what come in? Mama.
Okay. And then we're gonna throw it back in for another 10 minutes once we get it all covered here. Now, but boom. All right, going back in for 10 minutes. Okay, here is the final product, 50's Primetime Cafe Meatloaf. I do tell you to let it rest for about 10 minutes before you serve it so that it kind of sucks back in all the juices and stuff like that, but we're gonna cut it, get a little cross section going. Ooh, how's that look? Pretty tasty. Whoops, dropped it. Boom. Some macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes with some mushroom gravy, with a salad on the side. So yeah, that is it. Watch out, Patches, get down!
Okay.